So as you can see, I had a pretty rough night with these things in my hair. This morning I got up and I sat under the dryer. I let it air dry overnight and then I sat under the dryer for about 20 minutes. And I don't know, I think this may be moisture from the products in my hair and not necessarily wetness. I don't know. The shine is fabulous. Okay, you know I am twist challenged. Look how shiny it is. I love that. Whatever it is, I think I'll just put the blow dryer on it, the handheld blow dryer on it. Oh yeah, this one's definitely wet. But I love the way that looks. You know, I have a friend who she does her twist outs and she waits like 2-3 days before she takes her hair down. But for me, that's difficult because 2-3 days, I'm ready to rewash my hair. And honestly, I don't know that this is wet. My hair just feels amazing. And no, this is definitely wet. I forgot to add the hair oil. This is the Chia Growth Hydra oil. I wanted to add a little bit of this to my hair. Not that my hair needs any more moisture, but I just wanted to add a little bit to protect my hair from the heat of the dryer. Ooh, that's thick. Wow, this smells good. It smells like tea tree and oranges at the same time. Very good combination. I could see this being a really nice oil for the summertime. You know, sometimes you're out in the sun and you need like almost like a healing oil. That's what this feels like. It feels very nourishing. I love it. Awesome. I am so excited about this. This is so cool. My hair feels amazing. Awesome blossom. Very beautiful. I am so excited about this. Look at this. Look at the shine. I know my twist out skills leave a lot to be desired, but I do like my hair. Yay!